Hi there, Ryder. Good morning. Hey. Hi. Hello. Gonna just see how big you are. Yeah. And how wiggly you are. It is August 18th. And tomorrow Ryder will be 12 weeks old. Can you smile? Hey baby. Hey you. Hey. Hi. Hi. Hi sweetheart. Yeah. Let's say hi to everybody. Yeah, there you go. Smile. Hi. Yeah, shall we talk? Hi. Hi. Oh. Yeah. What do you want to say? Say hi to everybody? Hi. My name is Ryder. I'm such a big boy. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.